Here are your learning objectives. So by the end of this online course, students will be able to do the following: recall the basics of writing a personal statement, analyze a sample writing prompt, review a sample personal statement, write the personal statement, and then revise a personal statement based on the views of the admissions officers, and also rewrite a personal statement based on academic, professional, and personal goals. So writing a personal statement has its process. It begins with researching your field and researching the institution in order to tailor your personal statement to that particular degree program. But it also requires you doing some or conducting some extended research into what admissions officers think about in terms of how they view a personal statement. And then, of course, you would need to revise, rewrite, and finalize your personal statement based on your academic, professional, and personal goals. And that takes some time to think about as well. So those first 2 years at the community college setting, because I teach this at the community college setting, gives you an opportunity to plan your transition. And so the earliest you can begin thinking about your personal statement, the better. So these are your learning objectives.